Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to u square because I want to cancel about the square root. That's why I need to use about this one. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have to u du. This one I will put in here and here. The s we change by this one. So this one we change by u. U and u, we have u to the power of 3. And I will put number 2 in here. Next, we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to u to the power of 3. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u to the power of 3, we have 3u squared du. So this one we have 6u squared du. dv, we have cosine u du. The integration of this one, we have v equals to sine u. So we have t multiplied by v minus, we have the integration, that is about dt multiplied by v. Now we go in using about integration by parts. So we have t equal to 6u squared. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 2u du. So we have 12u du. dv, we have sine u du. The integration of this one, we have v equals to negative cosine u. So we have t multiplied by v minus, we have the t multiplied by v, but we have the negative sign here. Negative with negative, we have positive. And now we have the integration 12u cosine u du. Next, we use the same integration by parts. This one we use about 12u. So this one we have 12. This one we have cosine u. So this one should be about sine u. So we have t multiplied by v. So we have 12u sine u minus, we have the t multiplied by v. So we have the integration 12 sine u du. So the integration of negative with sine u, we have positive 12 cosine u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides. So we have the square root of s equals to u. So I will put this one to change for you. This is the end. Thank you for watching.